Hi there guys, today I'm in Samut Prakan province here in Thailand, and behind me you can see Wat Dhammakatanyu or something like that. I'll put the Google Maps link in the description behind this video. So we're gonna go inside, we're gonna see what there is to see, maybe get some nice drone shots of this Chinese style temple here in Samut Prakan, Thailand. So inside the temple there's obviously not much to do. There's just different rooms where people go and then they can pray for different things, like if they want children or good health or things like that. But if you look at the outside, you can see really beautiful architecture, just a nice place to come and take some photos, spend some time here. Very nice.